Generator stator cooling water system. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. This diagram shows generator stator cooling water system. The same diagram but little bigger in size. In this diagram we can see stator cooling water tank. This is the passage for waste gas to atmosphere. From stator cooling water tank, the water is getting pumped out. It passes through a cooler, then a filter, and then the water is passing through the stator conductors, and then it goes back to stator cooling water tank. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है। Heat generated in stator winding is dissipated by circulating cooling water through stator conductors. DM water or distilled water may be used as the coolant. The dissolved oxygen content of the coolant must not be more than 80 parts per billion, or we can say 80 microgram per liter. The pH of the coolant should be maintained between 8.0 and 8.5 by dosing chemicals. Otherwise, copper corrosion could result. DM water is supplied to the stator cooling water tank, from which a pump drawing water passes it through the cooler and filter, and then supplies the water to the stator conductors. The return from the conductors is drained to the stator cooling water tank. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है।